Now I'm eating breakfast. Yeah. This is so good on a rainy day. Y'all, right now we're gonna swim. Y'all, we're going to the pond. You can see it. We're going to the lake. Alright, so yeah, we're going to a better lake, and it's like, well, it's different. We'll see when we get there. But I changed my shoes because my other shoes got busted. But let's go. See you. We're over here now. This is what it is. Do you see this?
Pero van a tener una casa, así que no tiene lo que es una de las.
It's raining. What the? But look how cool it looks. At least we got to see this. The rain. Oh, whoa! There's like a water droplet. The rain kind of ruined. Oh, hi, doggo. He's so cute. Well, the rain ruins everything, so now we have to go back. Alright, so y'all, now we're at and we're gonna go swim. So I'm out of the water. I am freezing. I'm literally soaking. I'm literally freezing. So let's get back to the hotel. The end of the video. Peace.